Alright, welcome back, Bill's Amazing Adventures. We're back in Central Florida on the river yacht. Just launched out of Titusville. We're over here by a railroad bridge. We're about to drop our crab pot. See if we can't catch any crabs today. We're going to see if we can get some sheepheads, maybe some mango snapper, nice red, really whatever bites the line. But looking for something to eat. It's a little chilly out, but warming up. It's like 11 o'clock or something. But we're getting ready to drop this trap. You can throw right in here. It's a good spot. Bill's got her all fixed up, loaded up with some nice mullet in there. Off she goes. Hopefully that rope's long enough. All right. We'll be back to check on that sucker in a couple hours. We're not going to let it soak overnight because obviously we can't come back here tomorrow. So just let it float for a little bit and we'll find it when we come back. Or not. Either way, whatever. You got a little small mangrove snapper. Look at that.
He's got line coming out of his butt.
Nuh-uh. What the heck? Oh, that's one of them sabiki rigs. Give him a little helping hand. There you go. Oh my God, that is...
I don't know if I want to do that.
I mean, give him a hand. You would want him to do it to you. There's probably a hook on the end. Oh.
Sorry, boys, that's all I got. There's still more left in them.
Is there?
Yeah.
Well.
Tilly, want to say hi to the fishy?
Send him back to his watery home.
That's funny.
There you go.
Just
nice
a little
job.
guy.
Just a small guy. He gone back to his home.
Possibly. I don't know what it is.
Maybe it's that manatee.
No, it's not manatee. I've seen it.
Oh, I just saw it too. It's a clown knifefish.
Oh, it's a jack.
Oh yeah.
Or is that a pump?
No, it's a jack. Flip or die, Jack. Hey, Jack. Look at Tilly. She's like, ooh, that's a bigger one. Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
He's purty.
He is party.
Too bad they
It's
don't...
really yellow.
We should still try to take one of these home and see what they taste like.
You want to?
I kind of do.
I mean, if you fry it, how bad can it be?
Right? Can't see that.
I don't know we gotta check fish rules. I don't know if there's any rules on them.
I don't think there is, but check it.
We'll check it real quick.
Don't go after it, dog.
They got spice or anything? Nah. She can go after it. I don't have fish rules on my new phone.
Well, my phone's somewhere. It's up here. On that tree. She really wants to get smacked in the face by this thing, huh?
Alright, so we checked the fish rules. The app there, it tells you all the regulations and crap. And so there's no size on jacks. So I know a lot of people don't eat them, don't mess with them too much around back, but we're gonna put them in the cooler, take them home, see what it tastes like. It's because we don't know. We'll let you know. What we got this time?
A snapper.
Ooh, good. That might be a keeper.
That might be a snapper. He hit it like a Mack truck.
How do you know it was a Mack truck and not like a Peterbilt?
Okay, you need to open your mouth so I can have the hook back.
You scan it. Give him a shot on that ruler. Well, sometimes you gotta go. These guys gotta be 10 inches. Ooh.
9 3/4.
I mean,
He's 10.
it's 10 right on the knot.
What do you think? He's 10.
He's 10. Put him in the cooler. I will have a sandwich out of him.
A sandwich.
Good job.
Just one sandwich. Oh, Tilly, I'm sorry you didn't get to lick the fish.
Tilly's
I
mad.
still haven't gotten drinks. Look at the cute little sheepy. He's so little.
Got a tiny little sheep head. Those gotta be like 14.
12.
Not even a sandwich out of him. Is it 12? Meow. Meow.
Teeps.
Meow. Well, at least something biting. Better than sitting here doing nothing. It's better than a sharp stick in the eye. Alright. Next. Alright, so we're going to put this blue cap crab on a bigger pole. That's just
We don't have a bigger pole. So we're going to put a claw on it.
There you go. You have never smelt stink like a disgusting dead blue crab. We're going to put them on here.
Oh, he smells
Put it on there and send it out and see what happens.
Disgusting. Yes.
Just have him pinch it. It'll be fine.
Yeah. He's a little frozen. I don't think that's going to happen.
It'll be cool something. He said, I think they get, I don't know.
Giant catfish.
Probably. There you go, got it right in the nuck.
I'm trying. I can't get the hook to come
Send
back
it through with the pliers. Down there pretty good.
No, but it's good enough because my fingers are disgusting now.
Alright, we'll send it out there.
Good.
Alright. She's out there soaking. We'll see what happens. Alright, so Belle caught a softball.
Whoops.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah, look at that thing.
There he goes. Come on, camera.
He makes a crazy noise when he does that. Wow. That's cool.
That is a big fucking pinfish.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Big mama there.
It's a monster pinfish.
She bit it.
She bit the tail. I don't even know what to do with this.
What do you mean you don't know what to do with it? I would recommend unhooking it and throwing it back in the water.
With a hook in its mouth?
No.
Or just letting him go?
Yeah. What else are you gonna do with him? He's too heavy. Nothing's gonna eat that thing.
It's the biggest pinfish I've ever seen in my life. I wouldn't say nothing's gonna eat him.
Yeah, unless you got a humpback whale sliding through here.
Size of that thing. He's huge.
That's gotta be a world record. We're out here on the
I'm
river
just
yacht,
curious.
just breaking records. See how long he is?
Yeah, I'm just curious. He's 9.5 inches.
Can you eat him?
Probably. I'm gonna throw him back.
Alright, set him back to his watery home. Here you go. The old salty almost hit the water.
It's not even that big.
How? What the heck? It's not even big enough to keep. That was crazy.
He's smiling.
As soon as you touch the other pole, this one goes off.
He's got a jacked up face.
Oh yeah, he does. Ew. Got a hair lip.
That tastes good too.
Chile wele. Here you go. Seriously. So the fishing has slowed way down, but we did manage to catch this guy on a rod and reel.
On a shrimp.
On a shrimp. So if we get any more in our trap, we'll just add them to the pot. But other than that, what'd you catch more? A couple small mangroves, and that was about it, right? But we're having way more fun than me and at work.
Oh my goodness, yes. Most definitely. And the dog's having
Yeah.
a sheepy.
A sheepy, a good one? Nope.
Buddy, that's you. Hey, but where there's one, there's more than one.
Let me go back in there.
He's so cute though.
Convict. He gone. Got a stack of them in here. Need to.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna need the.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all wrapped up. All right. Finally got something worth something.
You might want to go back to that spot.
Yeah, I'll make another circle around, but I can't stop. The water's too deep. Nice drum. All right.
He's 12 inches.
In the cooler he goes. Yeah. All right, so we're here fishing this bridge, and we find a bird stuck to a fishing line that's hooked on some cable, or looks like ground wire or something. We're gonna see if we can't save him. Alright, so we're gonna try to get up here and net it. See if we can't get the hook out of it, and then see if we can't let it go. I'm sure it's gonna freak out, but I'm sure it's super tired. We'll put the towel over it and try to get it out of its wing. You're gonna freak.
Old dog.
Ooh, dog. Just watch your hands on his beak. I'm sorry, we should float right out of here.
Oh, she's bleeding.
Should be all right after you get the hook out. Just hold her good. Oh yeah, it's buried in there.
I'm not any good at that.
Well, then you're gonna have to hold the
You're
dog.
gonna have to drive the boat. Get away from the bridge.
Should be all right. You want to hold this?
Well, I'm losing control of the bird.
Just keep eyeing the boat too. The dog, the boat, a little bit of everything. Jeez.
Nicely done.
Popped right out. So this is why you try not to leave your hooks in the water. I know it's pretty impossible to.
Careful, its beak is really sharp.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He should be fine.
I think so.
I guess he could float on the water with no problem. I'm just gonna set him in and hopefully he don't bite me. All right, buddy. You're welcome. Don't bite me. Hopefully he's just tired and not bashed up too bad. We gave him a heck of a lot better chance than he had. Hopefully he's all right. The bird made it. He's out flying now. He was a little disoriented, but he got a little running start, and now he's up in the air, shaking off. He's good.
Yeah, at least now he doesn't have to cook.
Got a new lease on life.
We're gonna kill the dog.
Yeah. All right, so we're back at our pot. Wind's blowing pretty good now. I'm gonna try to put Maribel on it. See if she can grab it in the first shot. I get you. You're getting there. You're getting there. All right, she got it. What a legend. Now, are you going to be able to pick it up with all them crabs in it?
There's definitely nothing in it.
What?
It's empty.
Well, we need a refund.
Tilly, get your head out of the...
Wah, wah, wah. We failed on crab trap. But, whatever. I don't want no stinking crabs anyway.
What are you going to do with the one that's in there?
Now we get to let the other one go. So we're going to let the other crab go, and we got a couple more shrimp to drown, and then we're getting out of here. We got another pole bend on. Look at that. How's your drag?
I don't know. Let's try to go to the pole.
All right, come back this way.
Trying.
Sorry, that was some boat maneuvering I had to do. Let me get the net. Sorry, I had to get the net. This part of the video is going to be all over the place. Get seasick. Are you kidding me?
Well, he's giant though. It's a giant sail.
I mean, yeah, but
That's cool.
that's a sailfish.
so. It's
Catfish
still
is
cool.
a sailfish.
I wish it was a sailfish. I mean, I guess it's kind of a. Oh, he's got some.
Some brassels.
Mm-hmm.
Some Brussels sprouts.
Right in the corner of the mouth, just like they're supposed to.
Just like that circle hook's supposed to do. Except that's not a circle hook. Want the pliers?
Maybe. What are you barking about?
Doing a little surgery.
Hey,
there.
stop.
Yeah, that one will stick you. You only do that once. Hey, let me grab the pliers.
Okay, grab the pliers. It's like stuck in its sweet meat.
There's those dankos. Work every time. Look at that slimy sucker. Hold him up. Don't be scared. There you go. Meow.
He's pretty.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Okay, all right. All right, so we're back at the boat ramp now. Got a little bit of a traffic jam up here. Like maybe some people, it's their first time, so we give them nice, plenty of room, plenty of time. Let them stay calm and do their thing. Got out Maribel, dump the trailer in the water, get the old river yacht loaded up, and head back to Orlando. See you on the next one.